Hi guys, good evening to everyone. So I'm just going to share my views of uh, experience from the movie Wake Up Sid and my learning from the movie Wake Up Sid. So you know that this movie says this is the journey of of a rich but irresponsible boy to changes to a man, and even how its life changes, you know that uh, one has to take that responsibility on his shoulder, and after a spoon feeding life. So the first point I just wanted to share, that's live an independent life. So here, that's a character of Aisha I was talking about. Uh, she had a clear dream. That's why she left Kolkata and she wanted to be the writer in Mumbai. But that time that there was no positions for that in a magazine company, and but she grabbed the opportunity. She joined as assistant in editor chief, and like her dream was like that, to make her own flat in Mumbai, and that's why she did that, and she was very happy. And when she just got the first check, and the second lesson what I have just learned from this movie, that sometimes that scoring good marks is not everything, because you know that Sid failed his exams and all of his friend has left in his life, but finally he got a chance to work in a magazine company. So it's not important that all the time just you are scoring good marks, you are doing something very good. That's not everything. Sometimes failure in your life also gives you a light to achieve your goal, gives you a light to achieve your path of success. And then third one is that family is your first love. So whatever the situation comes, that family is always there with you. Whatever the worst situation happens in your life, we should never leave our family. So in this movie, excuse me, Sid left his family, and that he started living with Aisha. But that time, he didn't give the address to his family, to his mother, to his father. But mother searched the house, and she just came to the house to check how his son is living. Even that one time that his father also searched the address, and just to check that how his son is living over there, how he is living that his independent life. So that my mean to say that family is always there with you, whatever the things happening in your life. Then next is that sometime that failure is not always a bad thing. So Sid failed his exam and left his father's house, and he wanted to live his own independent life. And that thing gives a light to change his that earlier life. Because at that time, when that responsibility he understood on his, that soldier on his shoulder, then he realized the things, that how life is meaningful. He understood that how to cook, and then he understood how to clean the room, and that how to wash cooking utensils, because earlier he didn't do anything. So that time there was a responsibility that he just felt it, and that he understood that what is the meaningful life, what is the living of meaningful life. And that next lesson what I have just learned, that's grabbing the opportunity. So Aisha, in the movie, Aisha had a clear dream, because because she left Kolkata, because she wanted to be a writer in a famous magazine company called Mumbai Beat. But that time position was not there in that company, but she applied for a assistant editor in chief. So whatever the opportunity that comes on your way of success, that comes on your path, we should take it. We should never leave that opportunity. In the same case, that Sid was used to take photos, but he was a passion about the photos. but he never did photography. But when he got a chance in a in the magazine company as an intern in photography, and he just take that, he just grabbed that opportunity. And the last but most important lesson what I have just observed, what I have just learned from the movie, that's follow your passion. That's the most important lesson that I have just observed. So in this movie, that Sid didn't know that there is a photography in his passion. He just casually used to take the photography photos, but he didn't that take that passion into a profession. Even when he failed his exam and he left his own house, and he started living his independent life, that time also he was searching for the job, but side by side he used to take photos. And even that passion in his that mind that helped him to find a job as an intern in a magazine company. So whatever the passion that's inbuilt in your mind, in your heart, so we should never leave the passion. That passion of that passion gives you a like gives you a very helpful to achieve your success. That passion gives you a path to achieve your goals in your life. So these are the some points, and these are the few learnings what I have just taken from this movie. Thank you guys, thank you so much.